a logo for free for your business, and this is a very easy way to create a logo that I'm going to be showing you. This is not technical at all. This is just very simple. It's a template ready made and all that. So guys, this is going to be cool. This is going to be cool. And so join me in this journey where I show you how to make this logo for free. And if you're new to this channel right now, guys, don't forget, man, please subscribe to my channel right now, like this video right now. Let's get this video to 10,000 like right now, and share this video with your friends that you want to encourage to start their own business or get on this journey of their own, owning their own business. So guys, what we're going to be using, so this is my Facebook page. So if you're not follow, if you're not like me yet, then just come and send me a message. And if you have any questions that you need to ask me about this, sorry about the noise that you're hearing behind. The breeze is blowing the door and all that. So if you want to ask me any question, come to my Facebook, come and ask me any question right here on Facebook, and I will answer you in no time. So guys, let's go down to today's business. So what we're going to be using to design our logo is canvas. I don't know if you heard about canvas before, or if you've not heard about canvas. It is true that canvas, if you had to design a logo without the background, then you have to pay them. But I'm going to show you a trick in this video right now, a trick where you get the logo that we're going to be designing, and I'll show you another website where you're going to be able to take out the background for free also. So guys, what we're going to be doing is, so these are, you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, social media post, poster, Instagram, but that's not why we're here. You see, you can do all kinds of things right here on canvas that you're seeing right here, but logo is why we're here right now. So you click on logo right now. Logo is what we want to do here right now. So let me take off my picture right now. I don't know, it's not my picture you want to see right now, so let me just take it off right now. Let me take it down, or let me take it up somewhere here right now. Let me take it somewhere here right now. So guys, these are tons of templates of logos that you're seeing here right now. You see, these are ready-made logo. You can use this first one, just drag it and drop it here right now, and it's going to be there like that. Boom. You see, it's going to load up and it's going to be there. You can also use this one. You can also double click, double click, and this one is going to appear. You can also say you want to use this. You can also use this, double click, this one is going to appear. So what are we doing? What should we design right now? What should we design? Okay, let's use this. Let's just say logo so that's what we're doing. That's what we want to design right now. So let's guys, this is what we want to design. So let's say this is logo designer. That's what we're doing here. So guys, I just want to show you how quickly this is so easy to do right now. So let's say you want to change this. To red. Let's change this to, what color should we change this to? Let's change this to, okay, let's change this to green, white. Now that white's not going to show, man. Go white. Let's make this to white, green, white, green, man. Guys, I'm in Nigeria, man. So that's the flag, man. So let's now make this background. No. This is green, man. The background is what we want to change right now. So let's make the background black so you can see the white. Okay. So let's make the color right there green also. Green. So guys, I'm just showing you how cool this is right now. And you can see that this is very easy to do in a very short time. Look at we design a logo right now. We design our logo you change everything. You can move all these things around if you want to move them around. You can do whatever you want with it. You can move this up, you can move it down, you can change the text and all that. And again, so now, like right now, we're done with our logo. That's what we're here for right now. We're done with our logo right now. So what do we want to do right now? Is to then come right now for us to download this logo right now. You see, you can download the PNG, but this black background is still going to be there on this logo. The background is going to be there in this logo. So by the way, we're still going to download it. You click download right now. We'll download this logo right now. Then I'll take you to another website where you can remove this black background. Some people actually love this background behind it like that, but we don't want this background to be behind our logo. So we're going to go and take this background out right now. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So the logo is still about to save. So let's say logo. Yeah, that's logo. So we'll save our logo. So then you come to this website. This website is called Lunar Peaks background remover. So here is the free transparent background remover, Lunar Peaks. Lunar Peaks is what we're going to be using to remove the background behind our logo. So guys, it's so simple. The same logo that we just designed right now, you just come to this website. I'm going to drop a link to this website down below this video that you're watching right now, and also a link below to on Canva. So you just need file, choose a file, then we choose the logo that we just designed right now that we want to remove the background. We choose the logo right now. Hold on guys, look at some of the logo that I've designed already, and I'll remove the background. Where's our logo? Here's our logo. So you come here right now, choose the logo, and it's going to load up like that. So you see the background is going to be off right now. The background, so we upload our logo right now. So the background is going to be off, auto transparent. So you just click on the background that you want to take out. It will load it up for you. Yeah, so this is our logo. This is what we have right now. So our logo is ready right now. You can do some other adjustment or click into this black, but I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to easily and quickly save this video right now. Save this logo right now. So you see that the black background behind this logo is gone right now. So this is a transparent background. This logo right now, you can put it on any page or any banner right now, and it's going to be transparent. So let's save it right now. Let's save this logo right now, and I'll show you the logo. I'll show you the one we have before and this new one that we have right now, to let you see that we've removed the background from the other one. Though this black thing are going to be there, but I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm going to take all this out right now. It's going to make this video too long than I expected, so I don't want that to happen. So let's go and see our video right. Let's go and see our logo right now. Let's go and open the logos right now. Logos, where's our desktop? Let's go to desktop. So let's click our logos right now. Where are our logos? Okay, so this is our logo. This is the first logo. I'm going to drop a link below this video right now that will take you to go sign up with Canvas, and you go sign up with Lunar Peaks also. So open logo with sorry about all the slowness of my system right now. So you're going to see the one. Okay, this is the logo that we designed with Canvas, and you see the black background is still there and all that, and some people like it that way, but we don't like it that way. So here is the new one that we designed. So you see the new one doesn't have the black background behind it. You see the black stuff that I'm telling you about is still there, but we can take that out. So if you put this logo on your website, and maybe your website background color is black, this glow is going to come out more. Or maybe your website background color is blue or yellow or gray or green or whatever, this glow is going to come out more like that. So this is how you create a logo for your business for free, and it's as simple as that. And you can also go on Fiverr and go start selling this logo right now. So guys, this